Hello guys, let's start. This tutorials will help you to understand that how to track project behalf of layer graphs point of views as per delivery status. So line drawing as per product location changing steps or pointing to particular items info behalf of considerations of titles, info each steps point waste and configurations to animations view frames top to bottom selections point case. So just figure 1.0 see all details point of info for drawing lines with specific title waste. Just point to conditions flow, full working view of final layout with animations following systems, point of view, affecting case, working animations doing high view forms as per look and feel line configuration point of view. Just pointing to buttons layout configurations view frames or increasing count number as per selections point of views means pressing to button. So figure 1.1 inside see all details of info behalf of steps point case. Here just denoting bottom lines view frame according to animations flow after completed product configurations 1 steps. So figure 1.2 showing details of 1 steps of done conditions waste. Here just declaring steps of titles during code executions point case. So working conditions points view figure 1.3 inside see that executions of layer frame view. Pressing button info of execution state configuration steps behalf of product locations tracking steps or during the time executions pointing to directions to final point of views. So just figure 1.4 see all steps during the completions of task by pressing buttons executions flow point of views. Here pointing to conditions of view executions as per count number increasing and putting outcomes of line drawing execution steps conditions flow point of views. So figure 1.5 inside see all steps that is a execution steps of task with specific locations conditions point of views. Just pointing to all steps of tracking view complete status denoting lines or dotting conditions frame point of views. So figure 1.6 inside see all steps of task executions pointing case. Here separating layout of lines view, executions point steps behalf of task done conditions, flow pointings view frames, doing execution according to task flow. So figure 1.7 showing steps of lines drawings view, point of case. Declarings of variable states to do performs of task point of views. So figure 1.8 inside see all detailed configurations as per line drawing steps, portfolio point of views. Here just pointing to animations of circular view frame or applying animations flow rotations point ecosystems behalf. So figure 1.9 inside see all details of view frames. Just drawing lines or dotting frames behalf titles or doing conditions layout configurations as per area point of views. So figures 2.0 showing lines drawing steps and dotting flow systems. Nothing's too different, just implementations of dottings view and line drawings view ecosystem. So figures 2.1 inside showing info point case of views. Here just pointing to implementation of circular view frames or applying animations flow rotations point ecosystems behalf. So figures 2.2 inside see all details of view frames. Here just handlings view frame as per executions of task conditions flow point of views and providing animations effect as per count number point of views. So figures 2.3 inside see all details of execution task steps by count based flow. End of info final layout systems view to do perform tasks by using line drawing as per step point case flow or implementations proper step according flow systems behalf. So figure 2.4 inside see difference layout configurations as per view frame point of views.